Is wearing a tight bra or a black bra or even sleeping in your bra cause breast cancer? This myth goes viral again and again and creates so much unnecessary panic for women. Hi, I'm Dr. Sridevi, a breast cancer surgeon. Let's clear this up right now. There's no scientific evidence that wearing a bra causes breast cancer. Not a tight one, not an underwired one, not a black bra, not sleeping in your bra. A bra does not trap toxins, block lymph flow, or even cause cancer. Those claims are myths. Think of your bra as an innocent bystander. It may be there, but it's definitely not the cause. The real risk factors of breast cancer are things like age, family history, genetics, hormones, alcohol, obesity, and lifestyle factors, not your lingerie bra. So wear what feels comfortable, supportive, and right for you. If you notice a lump, nipple discharge, or breast changes, focus on getting that checked, not blaming your bra. Share this reel to help bust this myth once and for all.